with Chris McGee, our Maintenance Employee of the Month. Chris is a special employee. First of all, he's at our newest division, Division 16. That is the division where our new Crenshaw LAX line will operate out of. Chris has been doing outstanding work as a supervisor to really oversee all of the safety initiatives that are needed to make sure we're ready for Crenshaw LAX later this year. He has been acknowledged for his exemplary supervisorial skills in testing, safety ads, initiatives, and is great with employees and his coworkers. So Chris McGee is being recognized for an Outstanding Employee of the Month. I want to thank you, Chris, for really showing the strong leadership, prioritizing safety in recognition of our next new light rail system, Crenshaw LAX. Thank you, Chris.
Knowing Chris, he's a hard worker. He goes beyond what he's supposed to do. That's why we're trying to recognize him here as the Employee of the Month.
Congratulations to Chris here for doing a fantastic job. We really appreciate you, Chris. Thank you for all your extra work that you put in to make sure that the division here is ready for prime time when we get ready to roll out our service here.
But I can only take a small amount of credit for it. My main credit should go to, I've got great mentors, I've got a great team that helps me out on the floor. Facilities maintenance helps me out, non-rev helps me out, I have other divisions helping me out. Learn as much as you can and absorb what you can absorb. You can become the top of your game. You can become higher and go where you want to go in the company.